We spot that this is an inference question. A bit of math involved here, but this is inspired by a real GRE question. So you can expect such a question once in a while. There are two geographies under consideration, let's say M and B. Then it's about occupied and unoccupied property. Both the geographies would have some occupied and some unoccupied properties. It's mentioned that when comparison is limited to occupied properties, that means MO and BO, M wins, and when comparison is among all properties, then B wins. The comparison is in terms of dollars per square foot, so totals do not matter. Any answer choice that talks about total is not going to be correct. Choice B talks about total, but it is in terms of percentage of total, so this can stay for now. Choice C also compares totals, so this cannot be correct. Even choice E compares totals, so this cannot be correct. Now see, among occupied properties, M1, but among all properties, B1. Therefore, one thing is certain, that unoccupied properties in B are more expensive, because if M is greater in occupied also and in unoccupied also, B cannot win in total. That means among unoccupied ones, B wins. And since in total B has won, and by a higher percentage, it can be said that a higher percentage of total commercial real estate in M than in B is unoccupied. Because imagine if the weight of U was lesser and the weight of O was greater, then M would have won. Since overall B won, and we know that BU is more expensive than MU, it means that the proportion of U in M is greater than the proportion of U in B. That is why the overall per unit value at M is less than the overall per unit value at B. Therefore, B is correct. Even if you were not able to do all the math, you can comfortably get to B by elimination, because you know that A, C, and E are dealing in totals and D is comparing occupied and unoccupied within M. What is the ratio of the two types of properties within one area cannot be established, therefore D cannot be correct. Either way, overall, B is the correct answer choice.